What's going on, everybody? We have some new items here at Papi's. I gotta share it with you guys. Check this out. Mercy's here ready, her smacking her lips for this one. What are you eating there? Chicken, parm. You don't even know?
I don't even know how I'm gonna eat all that.
I'll help you.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Chicken Parmesan sub here. We got that Dirk Diggler meatball sub.
Oh, yeah,
now we have the chicken parm sub. Look at the cheese on that sub, everybody. Of course, we got to have some fries with that.
Of course. Because
I have the Fat Boy burger. I got to give you a little look at this. So it's a 3rd pound patty, barbecue, pulled pork barbecue on top with some pickles, barbecue sauce, of course cheese on a burger. Double meat. My gosh.
yeah, that's amazing.
That Fat Boy burger, man. Our burgers are amazing already. You throw some pulled pork on a burger, that takes it all right there, man. Give us a little taste. Fold that over. Let's cut it up.
This way.
There we go. You can't handle it. When those are open face sandwiches, they don't look like they do when they're closed like this. Look at that presentation. Move that hand out of the way, hon. Let me see this. Let's see how much is on here. Look at that. When you fold it over, get ready to eat this bad boy. We got 2 big chicken parm cutlets on there. Plenty of cheese, marinara sauce.
Oh God, look at that.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, baby.
You dropped some. I'm gonna eat it. I'm sorry. All right, give me a first taste of this new sandwich. Tell me what you think. Got the cheese, got the hedge of cheese going on.
It's amazing. It's very good.
Now, you're gonna share, right?
Yes.
There's a piece of that chicken right there.
The chicken is perfectly cooked, and it's also kind of crunchy.
Yeah, of course. Got to have a little crunch. And these house cut fries, I do want to try. I want to try this Fat Boy burger too. I got to get on this Fat Boy. Now that's our pulled pork sandwich. Instead of coleslaw, we do of course, the beef patty. Pickles got to stay on there. Barbecue sauce, cheese. Pulled pork sandwich here is basically the same pulled pork with coleslaw on the bottom and the pickle. And it's a big sandwich too. Let me try this. Let me see what you got.
I put all the cheese.
Oh my gosh. You just loaded it up. You give me that piece. Give me that piece right there. Come on. I gotta get it before it falls apart.
Oh, I know.
I'm gonna go right in here.
Tell me.
I need another bite. Hold on.
My goodness.
I don't know which one I like better. Dirk Diggler or this?
I like this one.
I do like this one. It's new.
It's new, yeah.
I've eaten
That's
so many of
probably-
those Dirk Digglers. I needed a change.
I mean, both are good, but this probably because being new.
Popular request. Somebody said, "We need a chicken parm sub." I said, "You know what? You're right. Let's do it. We have chicken parm on the menu already, so let's just do the sub." Delicious, folks. It's going to be a hit.
She'll go into pout mode for 2 days.
I'm going to take this.
I knew
I'm
it.
going to keep this part.
You eat it by piece? Okay, I keep that one.
Oh, yes, yes, very good.
Let me get a napkin off of a proper paper towel. That's why we need paper towels here at Papi's, because it makes a mess. All right, here's the Fat Boy. Let's do this Fat Boy barbecue.
Are you gonna share with me that
You
one?
can try a bite.
All right.
Here's a Fat Boy right here. You don't need ketchup. You don't need mustard. It's just pork and beef.
There we go.
I love the chicken parm sub. This is my winner right here, though. This Fat Boy. This is the winner.
Really, Pa?
You gotta try.
I need to try, yes.
Let me pass the burger. Pass the torch over. You try that burger. What do you think? You like them both, or you like this better? I like this better.
Both. I think
Both.
That one's better.
I like it too. Then we got a side of mac and cheese coming in. Just our own homemade recipe. Got a little mac and cheese. I don't know if we're gonna have room for all that.
Well, friends, let me tell you, if you're on diet, this is not a place to be.
Wrong place to be at Papi's.
You're gonna gain weight, or you're gonna eat good, that's for sure.
No diet food here. We don't know what diet means here at Papi's.
No.
We want to fill your bellies here.
Life is too short for that. Exercise double, though.
Yeah. Anyway, thank you guys for coming over here. All the people that show up, bring us license plates, come in and eat with us. Thank you very much. See you guys every day popping in. New people every day showing up. Coming out, eating at Papi, staying at the Drake. Got a great deal the rest of this month. 25% off the rooms. Which brought a lot of people in as well. People can't pass up a good deal. All right, Mercy's going in for some mac and cheese.
It's definitely good. You can tell it's homemade.
Well, of course. Everything we do here is homemade.
I know, but
We don't use cheese out of a can.
no, ever. Very good, Papi.
Let me try. Share. Hey guys, we have some more subscribers that just came into the restaurant and visited us. Whoop whoop! Check it out. These guys just got in here from. Let me flip the camera around here. I'll slowly go around the table here.
San Diego, California.
San Diego, and your name?
Kathy.
Kathy.
Albuquerque, New Mexico. Mel.
And I'm Pete, and we came from Albuquerque. That's my wife and my sister.
So-
So all the way here to Papi's, and I had a big Papi burger. It was awesome.
We were just chatting here. These guys were telling us about their history here. We have similar histories. They were here as kids.
Yeah.
Military brats, just like me, right? In the beginning, and they were here, and well, then they had a military career as well, which I didn't. But yeah, these guys were sharing stories with us here just a minute ago, and they're quite fun. So look what they brought.
Special gift. Look at that.
That is beautiful. Now that is very unique. We don't have one of these, so we'll be adding this to the restaurant for sure.
Mercy! Look at that.
Look at that.
Sweet. We got an applause from the girls over here.
Now
Yeah.
we want to ride on top of the lion there.
Yeah, so we're gonna have to steam iron the wrinkles out, but that's
Does need a little.
we're gonna steam it out. We'll find
Mercy can take care of it, I know.
We'll find a good spot for this in the restaurant. We'll probably replace one of the other flags over there with it. Probably get rid of that Mexican flag. Who needs that? We'll make room. Maybe this wall. We'll see. We'll check it out, guys.
Check it out.
Anyway,
Hey, those of you YouTubers out there in America, come your first stop should be Bar and Chill. It makes your jet lag go away.
you had that big Papi burger and you ate it
Yeah,
all,
I
no
did.
problem. You could probably eat 2 of those. Yeah, right.
That's why I have to work out a little bit. Or I'll be
Yeah, right. Well, you just said you climbed Mount Pinatubo
Mount
the other day.
Pinatubo. We climbed Mount Pinatubo yesterday. Great experience. It was very cool.
I asked him
Wake
if
up
he's
there
sore
for
like
nights.
our mountain
A
climb.
little bit sore.
I was asking him if he's sore like our mountain climb we did with Marcos on that Barretto mountain. Man, that about killed me.
We watched that one up there.
I had to take a long break on that.
Remember he took a nap?
I had to take a 30 minutes get my wind back because that thing was killing me. So
What's Beloit Beach? So you know Beloit Beach?
Yeah.
Yeah, I used to live down there. I rented a little house. I was a baby. Wake up, it was down the street. You know, you turn the corner, it was down there.
down by the river?
Down there, not that far down.
No.
Yeah, I had a little place there, and I had a place in Longput. It was so cheap there. So I had 2 places, little weekend getaway.
Well, very cool, guys. So, thank you very much for coming by. Nice meeting you. Nice meeting all of you. Hopefully,
bring that when you visit us at the resort.
now, yeah, he has a resort over in Tarlock,
We have
right?
a resort. It's called R2 Resort, just north of Capas.
I will put a link at the bottom of the screen for everybody if you want to come visit the resort over by Capas.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah. 2
It's
pools.
got a kid's swimming pool and an adult. It's got a slide. And
Nice.
all kinds of goodies.
As long as you got good food, I'll be there.
Yeah.
Hey guys, we are here with Joe and May. They come back to visit us. What's going on, guys? I see you got some fajitas.
We are really
Tacos are gone,
We
though.
just went with what was on the special. We didn't order from the menu. We just ordered
The blackboard today,
Yep.
all the Mexican food.
Yep.
Fajitas, tacos out. I didn't catch you in time.
Tacos are
There's
gone.
just remnants of the tacos, and then you have a burrito over here that's just sitting there. Nobody's touched that. Probably because you're full.
Yeah, we're getting there.
You're gonna take it home, are you?
Yeah,
So we can take some home.
yeah.
Yeah, it's a little bit noisy in here today. We got quite a crowd showed up, and Joe and May came in and said they wanted to do a shout out.
Yeah.
We got a shout out time. Let me turn around. I can't do the shout out like a selfie.
Real quick to our friends in Florida, Jackie and Tony. Can't wait for you to come out here to Angelo City and eat at Eric and Mercy's place called Papi's Bar and Chill.
So you said that they were here before, but we weren't finished with the restaurant.
Correct.
Nice. So now you're gonna get them in here and bring them in to show them
They
what's
watch
going
your vlog
on.
all the time, so they can't wait to come.
Well, they haven't been watching much lately because I hadn't been putting any videos out.
I know. So
Mercy's like, what vlog?
That's what, after Christmas?
Oh, it's been a while. Yeah, been a while.
Yeah.
No, we had one since then. But yeah, anyway. Yeah, the visitors are starting to come into town. It's, January's almost over. February's upon us already. Super Bowl's coming up. Of course, we'll have Super Bowl going on in here. All kinds of fun stuff getting ready to happen. We'll keep you posted, but we have some big news coming. I know you guys say, you always say that. You had big news on that rooftop and it never happened. But yeah, we have some other big news coming up. We'll do it.
Jackie and Tony, I can't wait to see you. Come on over.
There you go.
Come on out, man.
Come and
waiting for you.
get some food. Ray is back as well. Say hey, Ray.
Hey, Ray.
Hey, Ray. Say hey, Ray. Yeah, so Ray come back and visit us again. He's been gone how long now? About a couple months?
4 months.
4 months. See, time flies.
Yeah, it does.
Tell you what, Ray always visits us here at Papi's. Big supporter of us. We're a big supporter of him. He's got his maps here on our counter. I've told you about them before. Those maps are very cool. Tell everybody where all the places are here in Angelo City and Subic as well.
Yeah, we've got a Civic Day map, pocket map as well. They're all over the place now.
I'll put the link right here how to go to his website and check out the maps. And if you want one in your hand, come and get them here at Papi's at the front desk.
They're available here.
All right, guys, that's it for the video today. Sorry we haven't been on here for a while. We've been really busy doing some stuff.
We got a big surprise coming soon.
I know we've said that before, but this is a real deal. That rooftop thing never transpired. I know a lot of you keep asking us, what about the rooftop? We were excited about that too. Unfortunately, some things out of our control happened that stopped us on that rooftop. But this next thing we're getting ready to do is 99.9% done already, and I'm pretty confident that you guys are going to be excited for us, and we're excited for you. Oh, we got somebody coming in?
Yeah, it's our friend. George?
Oh, yeah. So, anyway, guys, thanks for watching.
Thank you for your patience. I mean, I know you miss us, but
Thanks
we
for
promise
waiting.
we're gonna be more busy with you guys.
Thanks for waiting on us.
Yes.
We'll see you guys on the next videos. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for all your comments. We'll see you on the next one.
See ya.